Hello, welcome to the ServiceMonster Quick Start guide. In this 3-part video series, we will cover how to create an order, schedule an appointment, and create an invoice. Let's schedule an appointment. Scheduling a new appointment is something you can do from a few different places within ServiceMonster. From orders within Order List, you can select any order and click on the Schedule button. This will add an appointment card to the On Deck box, so you can simply drag and drop the appointment onto the schedule. From the schedule itself, you can always create a new appointment by clicking directly on the schedule, where and when you want the appointment to be. This will open the Quick Add, where all you have left to do is add in the account and order information. And of course, you could also just use the Quick Add to schedule a new appointment. Remember, the Quick Add is available from any page within ServiceMonster by clicking on the blue plus button at the top of the screen. Go ahead and open up the Quick Add. First, start typing in the name of the account and select the account you want from the matches that pop up. If this appointment is for a brand new account, fill in all the fields to create the new account. Next, you can skip down to the Appointment tab, or use the Order tab to select the new order type, or search for an existing order, and add in all the order details. In the Appointment tab, simply click anywhere on the schedule to add your appointment. The New Appointment box will appear on the right, where you can add in and adjust all the appointment details, and add technician notes or admin notes. Once finished, simply click Save and Close, and your appointment is scheduled. Great job! You've just scheduled your first appointment. Go ahead and view your new appointment under Scheduling within the schedule.